Our section looks great on desktop, but how does it hold up on smaller screens? Let's use the device switcher in the toolbar to change device modes and find out. Oof, not great. Don't worry though, this is an easy fix. Let's use the breadcrumbs to select the hero content box with the 2 columns. Break the row in half by clicking the vertical dashed line between the box items. Click off or press escape to deselect. The text is too close to the image above it now. That's because styles inherit from larger devices, which in this case is 0. Luckily, values set in tablet mode will override desktop values, not replace them. Let's override this to 40 pixels. If we ever need to remove an override, we can click this X to clear it for the current device. Let's switch to mobile mode to finish this up. This text looks too big on mobile. Another easy fix. Double-click to enter content mode. Text styles in content mode can be overridden just like any other style, and they can also be cleared. Just look for the X. Double-click anywhere that isn't text to return to build mode. Lastly, we need to tighten things up. Hover over the empty space and select the Hero BG box. We can adjust the top and bottom spacing here visually, which will override this just for mobile. We should be good to go now. Let's double check the other devices. Press 2 for tablet and 1 for desktop.